Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my previous video, we have set up the particular to-do state values. We have spoke with the API keys and we have done all the operations to it. So it's time to connect with our application, whatever the context is there. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and you can access the playlist. The link is been mentioned in description below. So what we need to do is we have set up all the API keys inside the previous video. So now what we need to do, we need to just return this as a context provider to. I need to, whenever it is been used, I want to just return the particular as a context provider. So what I'll do, I'll just remove this do. So I'll just tell return. I want to just return it as one response. So I'll just tell return. um, so what I need to just return, so I need to just tell, so whatever the to do context is, I'll just tell to do. I'll return as a to do context. Okay, to do context provider, to do context, whatever the name is, a to do context dot providers I need to just use. So this is the syntax, this is how the documentation has been used. So I'll just tell to do dot to do context provider, I need to just use that a capital. Yeah, I need to just use it as a to do context dot provider. So this I'll just pass the values to it, all my values. So where I need to, what I need to provide all the values to here is, so whatever the new values will be there, I need to just provide it over here. Okay, so it is what only the thing I need to do. My to do context provider will be pass all the values to the children's. So I'll just tell props dot children's, props dot child child run. So I want to pass all the values to it. So what are all the values? That values is nothing but all my functions over here. So all my functions will be the add to do's, all those. Okay, so here basically I need to just use, I need to import from the to do context. I need to import because from the start slash to do context I have been imported this to do context. If I just go to the to do context, so the to do context I am just importing it where in my to do state. So this is the same stuff. So now basically all the functions I need to just get it from where from all the whatever the functions I have created for the API calls, for the get to do's, all those things, I'll get it over here. So now it is been done. So I'll just pass all the values. First I need to pass what all my current to do's are there. So then I need to just pass the add to do's function, then I need to pass the get to do's function, then I need to pass the API of the edit to do's API, then I need to pass the delete to do API. So these all the APIs is there as a children's. I will be passing to our component, which whenever it is needed it will just use it over here. So now once I just save everything, so once I save everything it will just save. There is no error, I guess. There is no error, there is no error inside our terminal. You can just see it because there is been not connected. Now coming back to my app.js file where I need to just do it. So first I need to do what, I need to import the to do state over here. So I want to just import the to do state over here. So from where it is coming, from the context.to-do state. So I'll just import this as one capital to do state. I want to just import it as a capital to do state. So once it has been set, I'll just cut it. So now we have imported what this stuff, and yeah, we have been imported the to do state. So now what I need to do here is to do state, I need to pass it as a globally, this particular state I need to pass it globally to my router. Before the router I need to just pass this as a, so let's tell to do state, I need to just pass the to do state whichever I mean imported as a to do state from the context to do context. So this to do state I'll just pass. So for here I'll just pass the show alert also, because as a we're using the props, right? That is a show alert, that is equal to show alert. I'm just using as a props. So this particular to do state, what I'll do, I'll just pass globally to it. So this to do state I'll just pass it from here. So then I'll just close after the router. Okay, so just I'm just closing this as after the okay, some error I'm getting. What is the error? What is the error? Show alert. So show alert is not a function. Okay, I need not, I forgot to give the equals, right? Okay, so the now I'm just passing this to do context globally. Now let me see. Now you can see I would have, I might get errors, lot of errors. So you can see now I'm just compiling it, I got the errors. So the one error and one warning. So what is the error? JSON never used define. Here it is saying use state is called in the function to do state, but neither react function component or a react hood function, and it is name should be used with the rules of the hooks. They have been given me the warning. If I just come here and you can see I'm having an error over here. So line number 28 at the okay 7 to 28 to do state.js. In the to do state.js, so I have the error where in the line number 28. So where is the line number 38? So not here, line number 7, I guess. So here I have some of the used, that is a to do initial. So I'm having a few of the errors. So because it has been not used, it is just giving me the error. So we'll be facing lots of error now. So you can just see what is the error in the to do state it is just giving, right? So in the to do state I am having an error. So basically what does mean, so here okay, everything what I'll do here, I'll just pass as one const over here. I'll just tell pass as a const is equal to, so I'll just tell const, so this will be what it will be the to do state. So this void I'll just pass it everything as a props, there I'll just give the function to it. So this is like I'll just pass, so this will be the to do state. And now I think all the stuffs will be, no, this will be the to do state, right? So this to do state I'll just come here, I'll just export this as it is. So now what I'll do here is, so here it is there, so everything will export default, this is to do state, I'll just export this is as a to do state now. Okay, now if I just save it, let me see any errors. So now you can see there is no errors. Okay, so all the errors gone. So now you can see all the string is written. This is the one error. So done. So now what I need to do here is, now I need to so we have been connected our to do steps to this. So now next what I need to do here is I need to use this stuff, right? I need to just simply use this stuff inside my to dos. So here I'll just create one component. I'll just create the component that is the to dos. So these all my to dos will be there. So or FCE create functional based component, save it. So I have the to dos, and I need to create one more component, it is my to do items. Okay, so let's tell what all of my to do items will be there. This will be coming over here, to do items.js. So now I need to just deal with the to dos item as well as the to dos.js file. So then add to dos is already has been defined, so add to do has been already defined. So let's try with this one now. So now I want to just try one condition. So basically in the add to dos I'll just import the particular to do context. I'll just tell to do context I want to get the to do context, then along with that I need to get the particular to dos from all the okay, that I'll just get it later. So fine, so this I'll get a to do context. So what I'll do here is I want to every time whenever I want to initialize from the to do context, I want to initialize the context over here. Let's tell const context is equal to use context. So I want to just use the particular context whatever has been used. So use context I want to just import it, you're done. So use context I want to initialize, so I need to use like this. Okay, yeah, I need to just initialize the particular I'll just tell to do context. So whatever the to do context will be there, I want to initialize with the use context. To do context will go to over here and it will just export this stuffs. So now I want to use what I want to, whichever the exported I have here, add to dos I have used. So this I want to use where in the add to dos. I want to use the add to dos over here, so that I can get it from where I'll just say whatever I'll just tell const I want to get from the context. Okay, I want to get from the context what I need to get. I want to, so to add the to do we have written a logic inside my to do state, that is the add to dos. I want to get this one because I have been exported this right as the children, so that I need to get it over here. So now I added the add to dos over here. So from the context, now see, now I can apply the handle click function. I can just use the handle click function. So I'll just tell a const, so I want to just tell whenever I submit I want to use the function name as handle click. So I click, it will take an event. Okay, it will take the event and it will just pass it as like this. So what it does means, first I want to just prevent default, that I want to don't want to refresh the place, prevent default will be going to work. So then what else, it will take the event, right? So here I need to give one more equals handle click e dot prevent default, then I'll just tell add to dos. So now I can just call this function add to dos. So here I'll just pass the to do dot title, so whichever the current title will be there I'll just pass, then I'll just pass to do dot tsk task. Okay, I just pass the to do dot. Once it is done at this line, at the 7th line of code, my data will get added into my type. So I'll just set the new to do now. So I'll just set the new to do again. Once it task is been done, I want to just set up the title to empty, then same as it is I want to set up the task to empty. Okay, so I want to do this particular stuff. So this has been done. Now I want to enter this handle click function where I can just add this handle click. So whenever the type will be submit, I'll just tell here. So whenever I click on do the type will be submit, double button will be there. Here I'll just tell whenever there is a on click happens, on click, I want to just pass this handle click function. I'll just save it. Once it has been saved, you can see all that stuff, right? Now refresh it, all the things were. Now I want to add it here. I want to add it over here. I'll just tell baby doll. I'll just tell baby doll as a title, and I'll just tell baby doll baby as a description, something add. You can see the thing has been getting added. So now if I come back here, if I come back here in my database, if I just check whether this works or not, if I just go to the to-dos, okay, if I just see what all the to-dos are there, let me check. So if I just check if the particular to-dos, so you can see the data has been added. So you can see the baby doll as well as the baby doll baby default false. So all my to-dos has been added. So if I try to add one more, I'll be getting error, I guess. So if I just say same as it is, I'll just tell what is that? I had a whatever baby. So if I just tell baby doll doll, and I'll just tell baby doll baby. So baby doll, if I add, if I just come back to my code and if I refresh, so you can see okay, I got it, okay, it is been done. So fine, there is no error. So if I just see the indices of it, so because before there was an email, so in your case it might set the emails to it. So if you get like that, just delete the particular stuff over there. So just make it a right click and delete it. Okay, you'll be getting a delete option in the indices. So if you get, I am saying, if not, so it will be all the things work fine. Okay, so done. So now I have added this. So add operation is working successfully right now. So now what we need to do next is what we have been set up for the add operation. Now I want to just delete operation, edit operation, and the fetch operation I need to do it. Okay, so let's fetch all the operations right now. So now I want to fetch all the operations from it. So that fetch operation will be doing where in the next video. So we have done the add operation over here in this video. So in the next we'll be doing fetch operation, then delete as well as the edit operation will be doing in another video. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.